Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking permissions and planning content. This saves rework. Make sure you have Sharepoint admin or site owner rights, then pick communication or team site depending on audience. Next, map core pages and libraries, list the metadata fields you'll need. Once that planning is done, create the modern site from the Sharepoint home, choose a template, and provision a site URL. This gets the skeleton in place, so you can focus on real content immediately. You now assemble the site. Create pages and lay out sections to support your content hierarchy. Use hero and quick links to surface priorities, and add document library and list web parts for structured content. Configure metadata, views, and versioning so users find documents fast. Once pages are populated, apply site navigation and create hub associations if applicable. This connects related sites. Make sure to test web part permissions and responsive behavior on mobile as you build. You finish by publishing pages and enabling audience targeting to show relevant content to groups. Then, lock down access. Review group membership, remove unnecessary site owners, and verify external sharing settings. Create a site template or backup site contents for recovery. If something goes wrong, first check web part permissions and clear browser cache. If persistent, review site features and audit logs to locate misconfigurations. Finally, announce the site and provide a short how-to to your users so adoption starts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.